So in my last video, I told you guys that Terra Luna was highly likely to pump. And since then, we've seen Terra Luna gone from $38 to $49, gaining over 30% in just 1 week. If you were a subscriber to the channel, then you should have profited from this. Now in this video, let's take a look at one of the most potentially bullish upcoming events for Hedera Hashgraph. So on October 7th, Hedera Hashgraph, which does not use the blockchain technology for consensus, but instead uses the Hashgraph technology, will be getting a facelift. Hedera Hashgraph is planning the release of the 0.18 updates to the mainnet for NFTs and also with the feature to be able to claim royalty fees on your NFTs. If you are not aware, there's a tokenization and monetization platform called GoMint, and this runs on the Hedera Hashgraph. At the moment, you are only allowed to buy NFTs on GoMint. But if you wanted to mint your own tokens on the Hedera Hashgraph mainnet, then you'll have to wait because it's only available by invitation only. So that is the bullish upcoming event for Hedera. But now let's take a look at the chart to see the key price targets for this bullish event. We are looking at the 4-hour chart for Hedera at the moment. And from the chart, we see that Hedera is currently trading in this ascending channel pattern. And this pattern is usually a bearish indicator. And it normally predicts with a high probability that prices will fall very soon. But we also see that Hedera is also trading in this resistance zone or supply zone, as some like to call it. Some like to call it supply zone. I call it a resistance zone. So in this resistance zone, we do see a good amount of resistance levels, right? So we have this resistance level, which rejected the prices before, right? Let me clean up and let me draw it properly. So this resistance zone over here, resistance level over here, that rejected the prices earlier on, and this resistance level is in confluence with a 0.5 on the Fibonacci retracement, right? So we see that the price got rejected, and since then the price has been going in a downtrend, right? The price has been in a downtrend. At the moment, we see that this last candle, this red candle over here, this last red candle, it looks like it's trying to break below the resistance line, right? The support line. So if this downtrend continues and it breaks below the pattern, then I have my bearish price target, my short-term bearish price target for Hedera sitting about 35-36 cents, right? I believe after we do touch 35-36 cents, in case it goes bearish, I don't think it will go bearish, but in case it does go bearish, then I believe it will probably bounce from that 36 cents level, because on the daily chart, let me go to the daily chart. And then let me turn on some indicators. So on the daily chart, right, we see that the MACD shows that momentum has not flipped bearish yet, right? So there's still some positive momentum for Hedera at the moment. And also the squeeze momentum indicator also shows that Hedera is currently building up momentum for another bullish run, right? So I do see Hedera bouncing back in case it does fall. In case Hedera does fall to 36 cents, then I believe Hedera will bounce back, and I see Hedera going to touch. In case Hedera goes bullish, then I see Hedera touching 43 cents first again. It definitely needs to go back to touch 43 cents, and it definitely needs to break past 43 cents. So if Hedera breaks past 43 cents, then Hedera will easily go touch 46 cents. And that will be where we have our next resistance level. And if Hedera passes that 46 cents, which is also the 618 on the Fibonacci retracement, if it does break past that, then Hedera will go to my midterm or medium term price target at 51 cents. So Hedera is currently in a tight spot. Hedera is fighting to break above that resistance level sitting at 43 cents. But if Hedera gets enough buy volume or buy momentum to push us past that 43 cents resistance level, then I definitely see Hedera going for my short-term price target sitting at 46 cents. And once it pushes past 46 cents, then I see Hedera going for my medium-term or my mid-term price target sitting at 51 cents. But as we saw from the chart, it looks like there's a candle that is, it looks like there's a chance Hedera could also break below that support line, right? And go below the pattern, right? The ascending channel pattern. And if Hedera breaks below that pattern, then my short-term bearish price target for Hedera is sitting at 36 cents. But like I said before, I believe Hedera would revert back after that and it will revert back to the 43 cents resistance level again to retest that. All right, make sure to help a brother out. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. My name is Seth and I make money videos. So if making money is something that you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And also let me know what other coin you would like me to cover in the comment section.